Hey folks, this is Daryl with Oklahoma Biker. This week we have just a ton of events going on. On Thursday, July 16th is the T-Town Travelers Dinner Ride in Sapulpa. 17th through the 19th is the Deep Woods Rally in Cameron, way down southern Oklahoma. There's Mudstock going on this weekend in Sparks. And at the American Legion Post 1 in Tulsa is a car and bike show on Saturday. There's a Jody Williams Memorial Poker Run going on in Fairland. Bikes and barbecue going on in Stringtown. Ride for McCoy Poker Run. That's a little kid suffering from cancer. That's going on in Cushing. The second annual landing run is happening in Afton. I think it ends up over at the Roadhog Saloon. Wrestling for a Cause, Fight for Colt. Now you might have met Colt out at Cheryl's birthday bash. He was one of the children that we donated money to. They're having a Wrestling for a Cause event for him in Sand Springs this Saturday evening. We're going to that. It's a good place to take your kids to. Riding for 505, that is in Oologah. Ride for the Rescue is in Oklahoma City. Down Bikers Association is having their first annual dart run in Oklahoma City. There's an annual Gunter Cancer Run happening in Shawnee this weekend. And on Sunday, the 19th, is a back to school supply ride. That meets out at the Hard Rock Cafe in Catoosa. That's put on by the 18 Wheels Motorcycle Association. And there's a benefit concert at Will Rogers Downs in Claremore for Captain Jason Farley. Folks, that's all the events we have for this week. If you'd like to learn more about what's going on, you can always go to oklahomabiker.net for more information on these events and others. We look forward to seeing you next week. Until then, watch out for the cages.